Welcome to our tutorial on how to enable vibration in Telegram Stories notifications on your Android device. Follow these simple steps to customize your notification settings. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Next, tap on the three lines located at the top left corner of the screen. Then, select Settings from the menu. In the Settings menu, tap on Notification and Sounds. Under the Notification for Chat section, look for the option for Stories and tap on it. Next, tap on More Options and then select Vibrate. You will have the option to choose between a short or long vibration pattern. That's it. You have successfully enabled vibration for Telegram Stories notifications. Now you can stay updated on all the latest stories with a personalized vibration alert. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.